Firefox is an Indian brand which falls under the umbrella of Hero Cycles India. Firefox has recently started making foray into performance MTB segment. With their expertise in manufacturing bicycles, they are rolling out performance models for MTBs at an affordable price point. One such model is Firefox Maximus D29er. Today we have with us the Maximus D29er for review. Does this MTB fulfills the promise of performance-packed MTBs at an affordable price point? Let's find out. The Firefox Maximus is built on a full alloy lightweight hardtail MTB frame. If you like your frame geometry angular and a little aggressive, then you are going to love the alloy frame on this MTB. The top and lower tubes are squarish and the center tube is more on a rounder side. The Maximus is equipped with a Suntour XCT front fork with 100 mm travel. This bicycle can handle any kind of rough terrain with ease, and it also comes equipped with a suspension lockout feature, excellent for handling rough terrains and also while riding fast on the city roads. Firefox is clear that this bicycle is meant for getting full-on performance when riding on rocky trails, and the drivetrain reflects just that. Acera as rear derailleur and tourney at the front completes the gearing components. Having Acera at this price point is a bargain, though we thought tourney could have been replaced by an Altus at the front for this performance MTB. These are mid-level MTB components from Shimano. The gears are quick and smooth. The 24-speed gear set gives wide range of gears to help the rider ride through both climbs and accelerate on flat tarmac. Shimano EF500 shifters were quick and fast during shifting, and there was no lag from the drivetrain. This hardtail MTB that we first rode comes in a primary black color with orange highlights. The matte paint job is of superior quality and the edges of the tubes are welded to perfection. This gives the bicycle an aesthetic character of a performance MTB. Firefox is equipped with double-walled alloy rims, and the Maximus rolls on a pair of Kenda 29 by 2.1 inch MTB tires. These tires were fast rolling and had thick contours for handling off-road ventures, thus giving enough traction and control over the most slippery and wet surfaces. The stock Firefox saddle was wide and comfortable and had just the right amount of cushioning on the sit bones, which made the journey comfortable, though we would have liked the saddle to be more cushiony to keep the rider comfy on rocky or bumpy trails, making it a sore-free ride. Maximus is equipped with Tektro Aries mechanical disc brakes with 160 mm rotor. These disc brakes are one of the best mechanical disc brakes in the business. This proved to be a solid, durable system delivering excellent stopping power while panic braking and normal halt on wet and dry terrain. The smooth moving Shimano EF500 brake levers needed only 1 or 2 fingers and a gentle press to apply the right amount of braking force to come to a complete halt. The Zoom Alloy 620 mm handlebar has an upward curve from the center, which gives the rider an open-chested posture and excellent control over the bicycle, especially when engaging a downhill. Firefox Maximus is no less than any of the other hardtail MTBs from an international brand in terms of performance, and can be an ideal choice for someone looking into entering the trail and mid-level performance bicycles.